Hey everybody, it's Dad the Noob, and welcome back to another episode of Dad the Noob Tries to Make. Today we attempt to make Irish chicken stew with dumplings and some homemade scones with blueberry compote and whipped cream. Not sure what makes this stew Irish other than the title on the recipe, but we had a good time making it. This is all practice for our St. Patrick's Day episode. Let's dig in and enjoy the show. Have the cream of chicken soup and I'm in a pinch, so I'm going to be making my own. And to do that, we've bastardized a recipe that calls for about 1.5 cups of milk, 1.5 cups of chicken broth, some garlic and onion salts, and then a lot of butter. We'll see how this turns out. Should be okay. Totally fine. Because I believe in improvisation in all things, this is my concoction, and I'm too lazy to get a spoon or a ladle to mix up this butter. I think I need to let it microwave for a little bit longer, but this is our cream chicken soup. Sans the chicken, but all the cream and the chicken broth. So we're going to let this dissolve and mix up a little bit, and then we're going to throw it into the big pot, and we'll see how it turns out. Using a small cup, you can carve out the appropriate level of scone size into the dough, and that should be more than enough to fill about 12 to 16 servings per sheet. The chicken and the broth have been cooking for about 40 minutes now, so you're going to want to remove the breast so that way you can separate it. In the meantime, you're going to introduce the carrots and the potatoes into the broth so that way they can simmer and cook for about 30 minutes. After you get done shredding the chicken, reintroduce it to the broth and cover. In the meantime, you'll be prepping the remainder of the dish. To prepare the scones for baking, you're going to want to have 1 egg white and about 2 tablespoons of milk to glaze the top of the scones before they get introduced to the oven. Eridu Slanche, and good health to you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch you next week.